इमर्जन्सी एक्झिट आणि फायर सेफ्टीच्या उणावाक लागून हडफडे अग्निकांडात 25 जणांक मरण आयिल्ले. आता ह्या प्रकरणात एक महत्वाची गजाल उक्तडार आयल्या. बर्च बाय रोमियो लेन क्लबान फायर सेफ्टी परवानो घेवकूच नाशिल्लो खंय. अंजून पुलिशेन केल्ल्या तपासांतल्यान ही गजाल उक्तडार आयल्या. परवानो घेवपा खातीर तांणी खंय केन्नाच अर्ज पसून केलो ना. दुसरे वटेन CRZ नेमांचे उल्लंघन केल्ल्या कारणान प्रशासनान बिरेस्तारा हंजूनचे फामाद कर्लीस रेस्टॉरंट सील केले. पंचायत आणि अबकारी खात्याचे परवाने आसात म्हणून रेस्टॉरंट धन्याचे रजाव. प्रशासनान केल्ले कारवायेक लागून तो बरोच तिडकला. ऐकात ताचे म्हणणे.
Illegal, we have got like panchayat NoC. We've got excise license. How can it be illegal? It's a temporary structure. There's a difference between permanent structure and temporary structure. There's a difference between in a planned area and FSI allotted and an unplanned area. CRZ, we have applied to CRZ. They have not replied to us. From not now, from years.
Okay. What about the tourism department?
Tourism department, no. We are not got anything to do with the tourism department.
So fire permission.
We invite everybody here.
Sir,
I don't ask. Are you a tourist?
So the fire license and all the permissions for the
We have got fire extinguisher.
NoC is from the fire department.
We have, it's an open structure, man. What if I throw pretty petrol right now? People will run out. That is all open area, not fire.
Yeah, you have.
Fire extinguisher here, no?
But
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.